This is the Bodega that we purchased from Amazon. As you can see, it's running right now. You can hear it. It does have the LCD panel. I'm only using I'm using the full cooler right now, so that's the only reason you see one side. It shows that it is at 26 degrees. When you open this up, you will see I have a few drinks and a few and some snacks in here. Now there are two sides to this. There is a side here and a side here. They do come with wire baskets and also a center partition. We are keeping a thermometer in here because we have had some temperature issues. This is showing almost 40. So as you see, where the temperature shows almost 40, it'll zoom in here, almost 40, and then on our screen it shows 26. So there are definitely some errors. Has a nice close, nice handles. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell.
Most of the sound is coming right from here.
Is there a point to this story?
Someone in the DC office has accidentally leaked Fitz's address in Hong Kong.
Bunch of idiots.
Indeed. We've asked for agency security, but for some curious reason, Danny Carmichael won't supply it. Fitz is starting a mission in Brazil tomorrow, which means you are going to babysit.
My brother and his wife died about 3 years ago. And to top it off, Claire was born with a heart condition. Last month we put in a pacemaker, and since then she's been in and out of Mount St. Mary's.
Poor thing got dealt a brutal hand.
Just tell me how to kill people, not care for them.
You don't have to care. Just keep her alive.
There, dear. This is 6. You'll be looking after the house while Donald is away.
Just the 2 exes?
Yes, that's right.
6 is an odd name.
Yeah. Just, 007 was taken. So.
Are you chewing gum?